Welcome to the Master Module on Work Permit System. Hello friends, my name is Shamshed and I am a proud safety champion at Tata Steel. My objective is to ensure that you too join my tribe of safety champions. At Tata Steel, we are committed to zero. My objective is to help you understand the work permit system, including its workflow. However, you will also need to go through the safety standard SS/Gen 25 document to learn more about work permits and the safety procedures involved. To begin the course, you will need to enter this door, which will introduce you to information related to the work permit system. This will be followed by some challenges to test your understanding. When you successfully complete the challenges, you will be led to a final assessment. If you complete the final challenge successfully, you will join my tribe of safety champions. Got it? You can win 10 points, 5 points for each challenge. Before you start, let me share an incident to help you understand the importance of the work permit system and its associated safety procedures. This incident occurred in February 2012. A helper with the Quality Engineering Services was engaged in the discharge gate valve changing job with 3 other colleagues in the coal handling area of coke dry quenching, also known as CDQ. 2 of the working persons were at the upper end of the sliding gate platform and 2 were at the lower end of the vibro feeder platform. During the maintenance activity, a huge puff of coal dust was observed in the surrounding area, covering both the upper and lower platforms of the vibro feeder. All this while, the victim was at the upper end of the sliding gate platform. The maintenance crew managed to escape from the platform. However, after the puff of dust settled down, the victim was found unconscious on the platform. He was taken to West Plant First Aid and then to TMH, where he was declared broad dead. Take a look at the reasons that led to this incident. The agencies involved were engaged in only verbal communication. The agencies involved were engaged in only verbal communication. Instead, before beginning the work, the agencies should have acquired authorization or work permit. Now that you have realized the importance of following safety procedures related to the work permit system, it is time for you to get started. Enter the door. Remember, you will need to counter 2 challenges and gain 5 points in each challenge to unlock the final assessment. Good luck. This door will provide you with an overview of the work permit system and its workflow to be followed. Learn what is work permit system, when and why it is required, and agencies involved in the work permit system. Look at the forms to be filled and initiated before you begin work. Let's take an example to understand the workflow of the work permit system. To execute a maintenance job, three agencies are involved, namely CRM Mechanical, the executing agency, CRM Operation, which is the owner agency, and working agency, who is the vendor under CRM Mechanical. As a first step, CRM Mechanical raises the energy isolation form as per the Energy Source Identification ESI and Standard Operating Procedure SOP. Then, as per the ESI and SOP, the isolating agency receives and acknowledges the request through owner agency and isolates. The isolation form is subsequently signed as a confirmation of isolation of the energy source. After this, the executing agency raises 3 copies of the work permit form, clarifying the type of work involved and precautions to be taken. The owner agency of the area or equipment adds special instructions to the work permit form, if any, and signs it. The main form is now handed over to working agency. After taking the work permit, working agency should work as per SOP. After the completion of job, the form is returned to the executing agency and then to the owner agency. Here is a detailed summary of the workflow of the work permit system. Look at the work permit form and various fields and information to be filled by different agencies. Learn what is work permit system, when and why it is required, and agencies involved in the work permit system.